Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product that you're going to need if you use HDMI cables. This is the Atevon Deluxe HDMI cable in the color black. I love this thing so very much. First of all is the aesthetics. It looks really, really nice. This is actually my third one, which is why it's unused. I have my other two connected to my Switch and my Xbox, and I absolutely love the audio video that it gives me. I love the way that it is made. It is nice and sturdy and durable, so I appreciate that. And then also, of course, is the way it works. That's what's most important with devices like these. So it says that it is supposed to support 3D and 4K 50 over 60 hertz video, so that is awesome. It has up to 18 gigabytes per second bandwidth. It has up to 32 audio channels, and it just got a bunch of different stats that are just really impressive. And I love using it for my Switch and my Xbox. Currently, that's kind of the only things that I am using, but I love having these around because they just create such a good experience using this cable. So if you're looking for an HDMI cable, I highly recommend this one, and that is my point of view.